10 Best Anti-Aging Vitamins and Supplements. Aging is a result of normal biological functioning where there are marked changes in our cells. We do know that antioxidants from foods and a large number of substances have anti-aging properties, many of which can be taken as supplements by those looking for natural ways to reduce cellular damage and decelerate the aging process. Before you start buying all the anti-aging supplements out there, it's important to know that they shouldn't be your only solution. Healthy eating, quality sleep and exercise are important lifestyle habits that will get you far. If you do decide to look into vitamins and supplements, it's recommended to consult your doctor or a healthcare professional who knows your personal medical history. The last thing you want to do is spend a lot of money on a product and find out it's going to hurt your body. Welcome to our channel. You're on a journey to optimal health and wellness, and we're right here with you. Now let's get started. Safe supplementation is key, and with that in mind, here are the 10 best anti-aging vitamins and supplements. Number 1. Collagen. Collagen is a popular dietary supplement that may help prevent skin aging by boosting collagen levels in your skin. Collagen supplements may seem like an obvious addition to your anti-aging process, but it's worth repeating because collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. There are 2 amino acids in the protein collagen called proline and glycine that are essential for the formation and repair of joints, bones, muscles, and tendons. It gives structure to your skin, bones, muscles and connective tissue, and is promoted as a fountain of youth for its potential to reduce the appearance of aging skin and improving the elasticity. Collagen plays a major role in the structure and elasticity of our skin, giving our youthful skins bouncy quality. Many assume that if they eat enough animal protein, they will get collagen in their bodies. The truth is that even if you were eating a lot of meat, it would be very hard for your body to synthesize protein and build it into collagen. To build collagen, your body requires a lot more to link all the amino chains together. As you age, collagen production slows, leading to collagen loss in the skin that accelerates signs of aging like wrinkles. Some studies suggest that supplementing with collagen may reduce signs of aging by improving our skin's texture and hydration, as well as replenish our elasticity and reducing wrinkles and dry skin. There are many types of collagen supplements that are on the market, including powders and capsules. Number 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is another nutrient that can promote youthful skin and help with collagen production. Everyone touts vitamin C for its abilities to ward off colds and flu, but this potent antioxidant may also improve skin's texture and appearance. Collagen and elastin both work to give the skin its shape, and vitamin C helps to support both. Elastin is a necessary protein that provides the skin with elasticity of tissues. Like collagen, elastin production slows with aging, and existing elastin breaks down, resulting in wrinkles around the eyes and mouth. Vitamin C is beneficial in promoting elastin synthesis, helping to slow the aging process. Vitamin C is also popular for anti-aging because of its ability to help regenerate tissues. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that blocks damage caused by free radicals, which is largely associated with the aging process. As we age, we notice more wrinkles and lines, and vitamin C acts to help stabilize collagen against free radical damage. Sometimes referred to as ascorbic acid, it stimulates collagen production that can, in turn, help reduce fine lines that may have been brought on by environmental stressors, like sun and heat exposure or pollution. It is recommended getting your daily vitamin C from foods like oranges, green peppers, and berries, and it can also be absorbed through supplements. Number 3. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in protecting your bones. It plays a role in allowing for the absorption of calcium, thereby making stronger, healthier bones to support you through the years. It also blocks the release of parathyroid hormone, which reduces the reabsorption of existing bone tissue. Low energy or fatigue is a common symptom of vitamin D deficiency, and supplementation with vitamin D has been linked to improving immunity, tiredness, muscle weakness, and depression. Most deficient adults will need to take a daily dose of vitamin D ranging between 2,000 to 5,000 IU, and some may need more. So it's important to ask your doctor to check your vitamin D blood level. Number 4. Probiotics. Gut health is important as it can influence all the other systems in your body. The more good bacteria we have in our body, the more likely we are to prevent the bad bacteria from taking over and causing health issues like inflammation or gastrointestinal symptoms. Maintaining a healthy gut and immune system are important at any stage of life, and so you may want to add a probiotic to your anti-aging supplements list. Probiotics are microorganisms that are similar to the naturally occurring bacteria in your gut. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, tempeh and kombucha are some of the best sources of this gut-friendly nutrient. Pollution, processed food, drugs and stress all harm your body from the inside out. This becomes more obvious as you get older, when your body is less able to bounce back, and so a healthy gut can play a major role in how well the body ages. Your body is quite capable of maintaining its youthful looks and vitality, but how good you look on the outside depends on what's happening on the inside. Healthy bacteria help us digest everything we eat, which allows us to absorb all the vital nutrients that our body needs to function properly. A healthy gut can help your hair to grow longer and fuller, and your nails stronger. Nails are made of proteins, and it's your good gut bacteria that break down the proteins you eat into the amino acids required for healthy, strong nails. Probiotics also help to produce a variety of other nutrients that support daily energy levels and overall well-being. It's for this reason that probiotic supplementation can be important as we age. Are you enjoying the video? Then make sure to click the like button below, subscribe and share it with your friends. Number 5. Omega-3. One of the most significant nutrients for healthy skin is omega-3 fatty acids. They are among the few nutrients that have numerous health and beauty benefits, from fighting depression to improving eye health and improving cardiovascular health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients found in certain foods and abundant in foods like walnuts, seafood, fatty fish, and flax seeds. Omega-3s can serve to regulate the skin's oil production, improve balanced hydration, subdue breakouts and minimize signs of aging. It can also help soften rough, dry skin and have a soothing effect on irritation and dermatitis. Your body can't manufacture omega-3, so you have to add them to your diet through omega-3 rich foods, or get your omega-3s through fish oil supplements. Number 6. CoQ10. Coenzyme Q10, also known as CoQ10, plays an essential role in energy production in our body. It's a potent antioxidant that our bodies produce and helps to battle the deteriorating effects of oxidative stress, as well as inflammation. Research suggests that levels of CoQ10 decline as you age, and supplementing with it has been shown to improve certain aspects of health in older individuals. CoQ10 supplements can help reduce an accumulation of free radicals that accelerates the aging process and age-related disease. Though CoQ10 shows promise as an anti-aging supplement, more evidence is needed before it can be recommended as a natural way to delay aging. Be sure to consult a trusted healthcare professional before giving it a try. Number 7. Papaya Enzyme. Papaya is an incredibly healthy tropical fruit. It's loaded with antioxidants that can reduce inflammation, help fight disease and may help keep you looking young. You'll find papaya enzyme in papayas and in many dietary supplements. Common uses include helping to reduce inflammation, improving blood sugar control and supporting skin and hair health. Free radicals are reactive molecules created during your body's metabolism. They can promote oxidative stress, which wreaks havoc on our skin and body. Papaya enzyme may be great for fighting the effects of oxidative stress, which can manifest as fatigue, anxiety, difficulty sleeping, loss of energy, soreness from overexertion of intense workouts. Depending on your health goals, you can take papaya enzyme by mouth or apply it to your skin. Further research continues, so speak with your doctor before supplementing. Number 8. EGCG. Another powerful antioxidant compound, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is found in concentrated green tea. Among EGCG's diverse array of potential health-promoting properties, is its ability to promote longevity and protect against age-related disease development. EGCG can be consumed by drinking green tea, matcha or concentrated supplements. Studies have linked green tea to a variety of health benefits, like helping to prevent heart disease, type 2 diabetes and encouraging weight loss. EGCG may slow aging by restoring mitochondrial function in cells and acting on pathways involved in aging. Number 9. Nicotinamide ribosite. Nicotinamide ribosite is a form of vitamin B promoted as a longevity supplement. It protects your brain from toxins and stress and increases the ratio of two essential compounds called NAD+ and NADH. NAD+ is a compound found in every cell in your body and involved in many critical processes, including energy metabolism, maintaining healthy sleep cycles and DNA repair. NAD+ levels decline with age, and this decline is thought to be associated with accelerated physical decline and the onset of age-related diseases. Some studies have shown that supplementing with nicotinamide ribosite may be effective at slowing and even reversing some signs of aging. Number 10. Whey protein. If you've ever opened a yogurt container to see liquid floating on top, that's whey. Whey protein is a mixture of proteins isolated from whey and goes through various processing steps to become what people generally recognize as a powder that is added to smoothies, meal replacements and protein bars. Whey protein isn't just for bodybuilders. Taking whey protein is a convenient way to add protein on top of your daily intake. Whey is considered a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Proteins are the main building blocks of the human body. They're used to make various important things, including tendons, organs and skin, as well as hormones, enzymes, neurotransmitters and various molecules. It supports your all-important mitochondria, and it also boosts immunity and brain function. Whey protein is readily available and easy to incorporate into your best anti-aging supplement routine. Even though you can find whey protein in basically any grocery store, be picky with your protein. Whey protein is available in 3 different forms that are produced from various types and levels of processing, and have a few different benefits based on your goals. Whey is generally well tolerated, though people with lactose intolerance need to be careful. You'd be missing out on a huge opportunity to turn back the clock by not taking whey protein. Here are other aging tips. Taking a holistic approach to aging can benefit you in the long run. The overall best way to promote longevity and health is reduce stress as much as possible, get quality sleep, exercise, and to consume a nutritious diet. Drink enough water. Drinking enough water is essential no matter what age you are, but it becomes especially key when you get older. Water, herbal teas, and hydrating foods such as fruits and vegetables can all be a part of hydration. Load up on fruits and vegetables. Eat more plant-based whole foods to rev up energy. Fresh, whole, unprocessed foods renew energy levels with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables can help your skin too. Certain supplements may help slow the aging process and promote a long, healthy life. Nevertheless, while some studies suggest that taking certain supplements may help slow the aging process, the best way to promote longevity and overall health is to engage in a healthy, complete approach. Before adding a new supplement to your routine, discuss its use with your healthcare provider, especially if you have an underlying health condition or are taking medication. Remember to subscribe so you never miss any videos. And also click any of the links below to download free reports, or links to solutions and to our website.